What is your favorite sport?
Tennis is my favorite sport, even though I may not excel at it. When it comes to my favorite pastime, tennis always takes the top spot. It was during my university years that I decided to take up tennis as a course, which led me to meet many professional players and coaches. One of these coaches made a significant impact on me. She instilled in me a positive attitude and a profound appreciation for the elegance of this sport. She introduced me to numerous high-level professional tennis matches, which left me in awe of the skill and finesse displayed. Even after our lessons concluded, my love for tennis endured, and I eagerly engage in friendly matches with my friends whenever the opportunity arises. I adore the pristine, professional tennis courts, with their striking beauty. The weight of the ball and the tennis rackets accentuates the power behind each and every stroke.
Contact Dr. NN in England.